Hindi nyo, nakuha ko to kay Nigahiga. You don't need umbrella pag Sunday.
Why?
Because it's
sunny.
JB.
I watched it too! I got a job!
Eh, hindi ko na
Johnny!
Sinong JB ang payat?
Nice and simple!
You know,
He's complimenting
Justin Bieber. Justin. Sino JB ang ang kambal? Ay, Justin Bieber.
Ang tingin is better ako sa Ay, big news man. Ay, tingin is sabi. Konti lang.
Oh, snap.
Ako si...
Pag sinabing quiet, gano'n na kayo.
Si Arvin.
Parang ka-quiet ka agad. Sabay-sabay kayong quiet.
Go.
Go, sige na.
Ama!
Sinong taong maraming pera? Who?
Mayaman ba kasi money yung pangalan niya? May joke daw siya.
May joke!
Wala! Galit?
Okay. Wala akong joke.
Weh!
Barber, sinasabi mo kanina.
Go! Mag-joke ka na!
Sino daw, ano yan? Sinong JB ang...
May jokes again!
Oh, Jeff!
Paul swung into the rod. Yeah. And then the bartender said, "Why the long face?" Say how the face the horse. Long face horse.
Hindi ko narinig.
Say again.
Long face horse.
Again.
What?
I didn't hear it. I didn't hear it.
Funny!
Oh, last joke, Nika, last joke.
Ay, may joke again!